Hi everybody, I'm going to do a quick review for you today for this back brace lumbar support belt. So before I show you how it functions on the body, I just want to talk about a couple of its key features. One is that this particular belt has 5 memory aluminum stays or strips here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to offer that support, that 360 support of the back, the lower back, helping to take some of the pressure off of that lower lumbar curve, as well as prevent the muscles from rolling around. That which is particularly useful characteristic for helping to, if you have hernias or something like that, so your muscles aren't rolling around, allowing for that movement, allowing for those discs to continue to press out of the spinal column. Obviously, that also applies to if you're experiencing lower back irritation in general, whether that's a pulled muscle or if it's overly sore or that sort of thing. This is going to help to give a little bit of that stability and give a little bit of that support to allow for the healing to happen, so you're not continuously irritating the same area over and over again. And it's made out of a breathable mesh material, you can see here, which is especially important if you are somebody who will need this support throughout the day, whether it's at your job or if you are in need of it in a athletic setting. You're going to want that breathability so you're not overheating your midsection as well, just so you're not sweating. It allows for airflow, but also evaporation of that sweat to come off and not accumulate on the skin. So I'll go ahead and get it on and we'll see how it feels. So it's easy to get on by yourself. If it's easy to use, we're going to be willing to use it more than if it's difficult to get on. You line up those stays with your lower back. You've got your main support band here. It's all Velcro, so you give that a nice firm cross. Make sure that your secondary Velcro straps are out of the way. So once we've got the first layer on, then we've got the second layer, which is elastic. So this is going to help really increase that support while allowing you space to breathe. So we give that a nice pull, we cross until we feel the support, and we cross again. And that's all there is to it. Now, it's secure in place, helping to support that lower back, but that compression as well is not just around the lower back, but it's helping my whole abdomen, that whole core belt that we talk about. Again, this is particularly useful if you have a hernia or something like that. So it's protecting it from not only the backward motion and forward motion, but the side to side, as well as getting a little bit of help from that compression. This is going to be also useful if you have scoliosis or something where you've got a little bit of that spine that's a little bit off center. Having this compression around helps to support that area where your lumbar spine would normally be giving all the support, and helps relieve some of that tension. Altogether, this is a great tool for anybody who experiences a deal of lower back pain, whether in their day-to-day, in their work, or at the gym, something like that. This allows some of that pressure to be taken off, so you can focus on the task at hand. I hope that this was a helpful review for you, and go check out this elastic lumbar support belt.